Hello, good morning to you. It is Kelly from Tasting Page. I'm a certified transformational health and nutrition coach, and I'm here to check in on you post Thanksgiving weekend. It was a long weekend, and it was a weekend likely filled with a lot of food and family and potentially stress, lack of sleep. So I want to give you a 3-step plan to kind of reboot your body, to get a little reset and get you ready for the rest of the month, because the rest of the month is December and it's holidays and it's parties and it's more sweets and temptations around every corner. So I want you going into all of that feeling good, feeling strong and energetic. So I have 3 steps for you to start the post-Thanksgiving detox. Step number 1, nourish your body. Your body has probably been eating things it doesn't normally eat every day. I know for me, this Thanksgiving, I'm not perfect, and I tell people it's okay to indulge, but know what to do, know your portion sizes, and then you can rebound pretty quickly. So number 1, nourish your body. Nourish your body with greens. Greens is the number 1 thing I tell people if they've had a bad weekend, if they overdid it a little bit. Greens will help you a lot. Leafy greens, spinach, rainbow chard, Swiss chard, anything leafy green. It's got a lot of fiber in it. So it's going to help detox your body. It's going to help pull the toxins out that you may have accumulated over the weekend. And in case any of you are unsure if you're allergic to things, I can tell you, I don't normally eat gluten and dairy and sugar and all of those things, but I had some this weekend. And what happens to me, I get an itchy head, I get an itchy back. Sometimes I get little bumps. Occasionally I'll get like little rash or little red bumps on my body. I definitely feel low energy. I don't sleep well. Sometimes a little anxiety comes with it. That's all because my body can't digest the food that's going in there. So if you have any of those symptoms, you might also be allergic to something as well. But that's okay. We're gonna reboot your body right now. So we're gonna stop. For me, I know I can't do gluten and dairy. Gluten and dairy are both inflammatory. So if you're feeling a little extra heavy today, you probably ate inflammatory food. Your body is inflamed, and so you're a little bit of the low energy. You may not have slept well. So you're gonna eat some leafy greens, lots of leafy greens, get that fiber in your body. I also, believe you need to nourish your liver. You may have had a few drinks this weekend. Your liver is working hard to process all of that. One thing that I love for liver health is beets. Beets are a great detoxifier for your liver. In fact, on my website, tastingpage.com, you can find a liver cleansing beet juice. So liver, dandelion greens are a great detoxifier. I have a detoxifying dandelion green smoothie on Tasting Page as well. That's good just to fill yourself up with those greens and those veggies. Cilantro. Cilantro is another great detoxifier. I put that in my dandelion smoothie. I throw those all in there. I put in some celery, some apple. All of that will help kind of move things around a little bit. So first thing you're doing is you're nourishing your body. The second thing you're doing for this post-Thanksgiving reset is you're moving your body. Yes, you know you need to move your body, but move it vigorously. If your body can handle it, if you're in a position and you feel well enough, get your heart rate up, get a sweat going. The sweat will help with the detoxing. The sweat will help move things through your body. I went to sweat yoga this morning. They heat the room up to 100 degrees. And so we did tons of twists. Twists are very detoxifying. It wrings your organs out. So literally, knee on elbow, and then you're twisting. And breathe as you twist, because that will detox, that will squeeze your organs. That's what it's doing. So that's going to help move things around quickly. You're putting the good food in, and then you're moving your body. Ideally, you're getting a sweat going. If you've ever heard of HIIT training, HIIT is high intensity interval training. What that is you go as hard as you can, as fast as you can, whether it's running, biking, jump rope. I do hills in my neighborhood. I just kind of book up the hill. I walk up the hill. I go as fast as I can up the hill, and then it's a slow down to recover. But that Rise and Peak is super helpful for your digestion. It's really good for metabolism. If you have a slow metabolism, doing HIIT training or that high intensity up and down, it's really good for your digestion. So I'm a big fan of HIIT training, moving your body, getting a sweat going. And if that is too much for you, just move. Try and move at least 5 times a week, at least 20 to 30 minutes a day. So that will keep things moving as well. All right, so you're nourishing, you're moving your body, and number 3, you're not beating yourself up. You are being kind to yourself. Yes, you probably ate some things you didn't need to eat this weekend. You probably overate. I overate. One Thanksgiving, I ate so much at a dinner I went to of my family's house. I came home and I had to, it was late. It was 11, maybe after 11 midnight. I had to go walk around the block a few times. I could feel my heart beating. I have a sensitive system and I put too much in and my body has to work on overdrive. In fact, I even wear a sleep tracker and it tracks my heart rate while I sleep. And if I go to sleep too close to my last meal, my heart rate stays high for a really long time because it's my body trying to process all the food. So I do always recommend, if you're gonna eat a big meal, try and do it 2 to 3 hours before you go to sleep. That way your body has a chance to digest. You're not gonna wake up in the middle of the night. I mean, I've had 2 nights now where I got to bed early and my heart rate is now at the right level. It's doing its job. Everything's getting back into homeostasis. And that's the thing. I don't tell people, no, don't eat anything. Don't, you have to deprive yourself. I don't say that. When you are eating good food and taking care of yourself throughout the year, not just 1 or 2 days, but when you, for the most part, eat a healthy diet, you take a weekend off, you're not gonna fall into shambles, but you do need to get back on and reset. So this whole be kind and gentle to yourself, don't beat yourself up. Hi, Emmanuel. Don't beat yourself up. Don't beat yourself up after a big Thanksgiving weekend that you've overate. Be kind to yourself. If you just continue to say, oh my gosh, I can't believe I ate that. Why did I do that? I have no self-control. I feel like crap today. I have to spend the entire day in the gym. There's nothing you can do about the past. The only thing you can do is make a new decision in the present. You make a new decision right now. Maybe no more pie. You maybe throw the pie away. You've had your pie for the weekend and today's a new day. So what can you do today to support yourself? Don't beat yourself up. Do a little self-care. You probably had a lot of family and friends around this weekend. So take care of yourself. Take a bath after you've eaten your nourishing food and moved your body. So relax a little, have a little quiet time. That too will reset. Your adrenals are probably a little on high alert after all the activity, all of the food, so they too need a rest. So you have to rest all of those. So that's your 3-step Thanksgiving post plan to reset your body. It's nourish it with some good food, move your body to help digest, and then give yourself some love. Relax. Don't beat yourself up over the weekend, but make a new decision to start something right now. Do that today. And if you need more help than this, I have just opened my new Ignite one-on-one coaching program. I'm taking applications now for the new year. You don't have to start in December if you have too much going on, but if you wanted to start in December to have a little support through the holidays, which can be difficult. If you want some accountability through December, I'm here for you. It's a 6-week program where we meet one-on-one so I can really get to know your body, your food, your dietary restrictions, anything that is setting you off kilter. So I can also recommend the best plans that's going to give you the most energy. I have more details on it in the link attached. So I want you feeling great in your body. Even if you just do these 3 things, hopefully that will help you feel a little better and go into December really strong. Thank you.